All right, here's how to put the Camry hybrid and possibly other hybrids, I'm pretty sure it's the same for all the Toyotas, into maintenance mode. Maintenance mode just runs the engine full time and is used for many different service procedures and diagnostic purposes. So first thing you're going to do is just go key on, and then what we want to do in 60 seconds is push the accelerator pedal twice in park, shift to neutral, accelerator pedal twice, into park, accelerator pedal twice. You can see now on the center of the display, it is maintenance mode. At this point in time, you can press your foot on the brake pedal, start the vehicle, and it's just going to run the engine full time. Now you will have traction control and the other traction control light on. That's normal for those to come on, and they will go off when you shut the vehicle off and cycle the ignition. Once you're done with maintenance mode, you just simply turn the car off, and then when you go to start it next time, everything should be good. All your lights will go off. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.